If you're looking to list a property on Airbnb, you're in the right place. I'm going to show you quickly and easily how to get it done. So let's get into it. So what will happen is you will open an Airbnb account and you can use your email address. You could use your Google account or a phone number and you'll land up on a page like this. You're going to go and up to the top right-hand side and you'll see your profile picture. If you did upload a profile picture, otherwise there'll just be a placeholder there. And here you want to go ahead and here you're going to click on manage listings. Okay, so if it doesn't say manage listings, then it will ask you to complete just a small bit of information so that you can become a host. So this is the first thing that you are faced with. This is the very first question. So what best describes your place? So you're going to go and choose what best describes your place. There's quite a few options. You're going to go and click on next. The next thing is what type of place will the guest have? So will it be the entire place, a room, or a shared room in a hostel? We're going to go the entire place. We're going to tap on next. And here you're going to go ahead and enter your address. So let's go ahead here and let's just enter our address here. So here we go. Right, so this is our address, and here you can show your specific location, okay? Let's go and say next. We can then drag our map to the position where the pin is. We can then go next. Over here, you are going to share some basic information about your place. So how many guests can it accommodate? How many bedrooms does it have? How many beds does it have? And how many bathrooms does it have? And then you're going to click on next. You can now go and add some of the amenities to your place. And then also you're going to add some photographs and a title and a description. So let's go say next here. You can tell your guests what your place actually offers. Wi-Fi, obviously, kitchen, fantastic, free parking, dedicated workspace because maybe you're having people come around and they are on a business trip. Here you're going to add some photographs of your place. So I'm going to go ahead and add some photographs from my device. You'll now have the opportunity to choose a photograph that you want as your cover photo. So you can see this currently is my cover photo. This is our kitchen and our little lounge area. So that's fantastic. We're going to go and click on next. And right over here, you'll now have to give your house a little title. So I'm going to go ahead and say, beautiful open planned house. I'm going to go next. Of course, you can describe your house as best you can. And then we are going to further describe it. So we need two highlights. Okay. So I want to say peaceful, definitely. And I want to say spacious because that is quite a spacious house. You also want to go ahead. You're going to create a description. You have up to 500 characters that you can use. They've put a little placeholder here. Forget your worries in the spacious and serene space. Kick your feet up and relax. Let's go ahead and tap on next. We're going to go here and we're going to finish it up and publish it. So we've now chosen all of our booking settings. We're going to go ahead now, click on next. You can see now you have your booking settings. So you can change this at any time, but for now you can use the approve your first 5 bookings. That's recommended. That basically allows you to review your reservation requests and then switch to the instant booking so that your guests can automatically make bookings. So we're just going to approve the first 5 bookings just like this. And then you want to choose who to welcome to your first reservation. So you can get reservations faster when you welcome anyone from the Airbnb community, but also for your first guests, you can welcome someone with a good track record on Airbnb who can offer tips for how to be a great host. For now, I'm going to just choose the first option. And the next option here is our pricing, of course. Now, so we can tap on the little pencil icon. You can change your pricing here. And you can see, there's too many zeros there. You can see over here that they also have similar listings. So you can obviously price yours accordingly. And you can tap on the learn more about pricing if you would like to know just a little bit more. You can also see over here it says guest price before tax. You can obviously just change that and you can see what the options are there. Let's go ahead and tap on next. you'll see now you can add some discounts. So 20% discount for new listing promotions, weekly discounts, monthly discounts. This is fantastic. And you can either check them on or off. Let's click on next. And we're going to go in here and we have one last step. So does your listing have any of these? So exterior security cameras, let's say we do. We have to then also just describe the area that each camera monitors. So you can just add that in over there. Also noise, decibel, monitor, and then weapons. Okay, so we don't have any of that. And now we have the opportunity to publish. So over here it says what's next. It has the opportunity to set up your calendar, adjust your settings, and then prepare for your first guests. You can see all of the details here, including the price, including that discount, your title, and your first cover image. You're going to go ahead and click on publish, and guess what? You have now successfully listed your property on Airbnb. You can go now, click on let's get started, and you can actually customize your experience. I hope this was helpful.